Yo, what's going on, guys? What is going on? All right, so this whole Mount Gox situation, guys, I personally don't think that we're going to see, the majority of holders that get creditors that get their Bitcoin back. I don't think most of them are going to be selling. I know obviously some of them will, right? But I think that the bulk of them are not going to, guys, and we're going to have a look at it here. So, exploring the Mount Gox impact on the markets. There is considerable speculation about Mount Gox, Bitcoin flows, and associated market pressures, combined with minor activity, Germany selling, and prevailing negative sentiment. The Mount Gox BTC will test the market's capacity to absorb BTC throughout Q3. It's too early to predict the exact impact of Mt. Gox BTC on the market. We will need to observe the percentage of holders selling their BTC in the coming weeks to build more accurate forecasts. For that purpose, I assembled a series of charts that cover key metrics related to Mt. Gox flows, supply, and the ability of markets to absorb potential selling. Number one, total supply of Mt. Gox BTC is approximately 33% of the total supply, 47,000 BTC, has already been set aside for distribution. Two, Mt. Gox BTC outflows. Logs BTC leaving Mt. Gox holding, indicating preparation for distribution. Three, Mt. Gox BTC inflows. Tracks any inflows to Mt. Gox reserves, which is rare but possible. This one is mostly for me to keep the math accurate. BTC net flows. The net result of daily inflows implied selling and outflows implied buying of crucial metric indicating market absorption capacity. Recently, there is an average net positive flow of around 150 BTC daily, indicating a weekly bearish trend, with more BTC coming in than leaving exchanges. BTC's total daily outflows. Raw outflow numbers suggest implied buying pressure. This has been trending towards bear market levels, correlating with bearish sentiment driven by Mt. Gox, Germany, and other uncertainties, as you can see right here. Total Mt. Gox supply, Mt. Gox Bitcoin outflows, just like we described. So his final thoughts, net flows currently suggest an inability to absorb a sufficient BTC inflow. If large-scale deposits occur from Germany or Mt. Gox BTC holders, prices could drop into the $40,000 range or even the upper 30,000s in a worst-case scenario. Looking purely at numbers, the market can't absorb significant more BTC inflows, but small sales, say a few hundred more daily, won't have a significant impact on the price. OTC deals could also influence the trend. Improvements in the macroeconomic sentiment, such as recent promising U.S. inflation data or the upcoming Ethereum ETFs, could improve market sentiment and the capacity to absorb more BTC selling, suggesting a potentially bullish Q4 of 2024. You can follow this chart in real time, but you need an account on CryptoQuant. Unfortunately, the paywall access to this feature I can't produce in trading. Okay, so what he's saying here, guys, essentially is, listen, we could, in a worst case scenario, see the upper 30,000s for BTC with all of this selling pressure on the market, guys. Now, you may sit there right now and go, oh my God, that is absolutely horrible. What the hell are we going to do? First of all, remember, it's not guaranteed at all. And secondly, guys, there is something else I want you to take into consideration. And that is basically, let me move you over to another chart here real quick. What I want you to take into consideration in the last cycle is this. What's that, you might ask? That is the C19 market crash, right? Absolutely horrible. Everyone thought when that happened, that was a massive black swan event, guys, when that happened, right? But when you zoom out like this, it doesn't really look that bad now, does it, right? So keep in mind, guys, that we had that happen, okay? And then we go way back over here. And here we are today, way up here, right? So listen, we had the C19 crash again, massive crash, guys. Everyone, like, if there was ever a time to think that bull run was over before it even got started, it was at that time. Okay, it was at that time. And look at the rally that happened after that. Look at what happened after that, right? So that's what you have to keep in mind, guys. If that didn't end a bull run, what's happening right now sure as hell will not end it either, in my personal opinion. If we do see this selling pressure, guys, if we do see even the 40s or the high, excuse me, I got the hiccups here, the high 30s, guys, I am going to be buying like a madman. So I want to know what you guys are going to do about it, right? Are you going to be doing the same thing? Or if we pulled down that far, somewhere around these simple moving averages, we've got the 100-day and we've got the 200-day. Are we going to pull all the way back down there? Be interesting to know, guys. What do you guys think? Let me know. Hit the like button, guys. Hit the subscribe button. Guys, if you need help rounding out your portfolio, if you need to maximize ROI before this bull run kicks off, you want to retool things, click the join button for that, guys. And if you need one-on-one coaching, guys, you got to jump over to the Patreon. My spots are filling up very, very fast over there. I'm running out of spots, so get in there, book your spot for one-on-one coaching, video calls. We'll do those. Also, guys, we're uploading technical analysis training videos over on the Patreon as well. Link is down below for the Patreon, guys. Check that out. Follow me on X. Once again, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.